Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this pre-owned 2018 Acura TLX A-Spec. This one has the 3.5 liter V6 under the hood, pushing 290 horsepower. Oh yeah, sure is pretty, that is for sure. $29,800. Whoops. Oh no. Back. Whatever, that works. Got a couple dynamic modes. Going to Sport Plus. There's your backup camera. And it defaults into Sport transmission. Nice. Sunroof. Oh yeah. Now after just driving the Type S, it's cool to be able to get into the previous gen A-Spec and drive it. It is a good amount of fun. It really is. Of course, this isn't your first thought when you think sports sedan. The Type S is looking to change that, and I think it definitely is. Acura is finally starting to put their name back on the map, especially with the new Integra coming. And right before filming this, I found out that Acura has trademarked the Integra Type S name. So I think we all know what's coming there. This one is 49,000 miles on it. Very, very nice shape. And it has the V6. A Turbo 4 was an option, but zoom for 2. Good one. Little gap. It is quick. It is most definitely quick. This does use the 9-speed automatic. And it's funny because it almost sounds like the NSX. Almost. NSX has a few more whirring and hybrid noises, but it's close. I've always had a soft spot for these cars. I've always loved cars that are underappreciated, nobody really talks about. Those are the kind of cars I like, and this is definitely one of them. Nobody really talks about these, but they're still a lot of fun. You know, for 30 grand in this market, really can't go wrong. gonna go ahead and use the paddles here. Yep, it does have VTEC. I did hear it cross over at the last second. This one does have the super handling all-wheel drive. I don't know, well, it might have rear steer. Normally I can feel it. Brake pedal is really nice too. Good amount of response. It is nice. Please turn left. Please turn left. Oh, that's impressive. Wow. Oh man, this thing's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.